Alright guys, we're back. Um, it's still really windy out, as you can tell. Just point at some leaves, it'll make a difference. Yeah, I made a video earlier of the wind and and it's still going. I mean, it's gonna be this way all night, but still, I decided to make some weather videos about it. Clouds are moving pretty quick. I'm gonna make sure I don't wiggle the camera too much. Yeah, the last video I made, just as I was about to put that video to an end, a huge gust of wind, came through. We're getting another gust right now. At least we're about to. Yeah, I see how dark that cloud is. Yeah, it's really crazy. I was kind of expecting this to be a little worse, but hey, it's not as bad as I thought, so we're good. Sheesh, trees are waving like crazy. I'm trying to stand in an open area so that the wind doesn't blow the water off the trees, and because the rain is really cold. I mean, it's sprinkling right now, but it's not bad. Yeah, it's. I was kind of hoping for the storm to be a little worse, but right now I'm thankful that it wasn't worse, because it was really bad in other places in Michigan. It was there are a lot of places that are out of power right now, such as Van Buren County. The other town that I record that I make videos in, which is Breedsville, Michigan, they're out of power right now. I'm in Portage right now. I feel like this is something you'd see during the summertime, but nope. Guess it happens in the fall time as well. Last year we had snow in November. This year it's kind of taking a while for a snow to come here in Michigan. Anyway, there are quite a few other states that have been getting snow lately. So, I mean, snow is not my favorite thing, but I enjoy watching it snow on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and I don't know why. This might sound weird, but I like on days that I have that I go to high school dances. I like it when it snows. Then I mean, we have my high school has a dance coming up this Saturday, a formal dance. It's gonna be a really cool dance. I'm a junior, so I got this year and then next year, and then I graduate. Crap, my battery's going low. Oh well, I'll try and record as much as I can. Hopefully try and make it at least a little over 8 minutes. It's at the 5-minute mark right now. I'm going to the front. It actually feels darker here. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, my video thing was getting wet. It's getting darker out, so you're not going to be able to see the weather that well, or see the clouds as well soon, but right now the clouds look really dark. Yeah, it's and they're moving. They're all moving pretty quick. Well, that's because of the wind. Right now we're getting 30 to 45 mile per hour winds. We did have some strong gusts earlier, like 60 miles per hour. Portage doesn't get that kind of wind that much, but when they do, it gets crazy. I'm not lying. I'm going back to the back. There's a more open area back there. But yeah, it is. Yeah, we've been waiting for the storm for a couple of days. They tried comparing this storm to the storm that caused the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. For those of you who don't know who that is or what that is, it's when there was this one ship that went down 40 years ago now. And I think it was I think they said Lake Superior, I don't know, but yeah, it's been a huge history of Michigan thing for quite a long time. And there's even a song by Gordon Lightfoot named Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Well, yeah, before I get way off topic, let's go let's go back to talking about weather. Yeah, I don't think I've made weather videos in almost a month, or more than a month now. Lately the weather's been getting calm. It's getting a little dark out. I'm gonna cut this video soon. Yeah, it's getting too dark. You're not gonna be able to see. All right, well, I'm gonna put this video to an end. For those of you who watched, thanks. I apologize if the camera wiggled a little too much, but hey, you know, it's a good thing you were able to see how fast the clouds were moving. Well, yeah, if you watch this and you liked it, thanks. I know this is really blurry, but you know, this is the only camera I got. I can't find my other video camera, but until I find it, I'm stuck with this one. But you know, till then, thanks for watching this. This is Michael Starbucks Weather Videos, also known as MSWV and M. Anyway, thanks.